you have understood the basic concepts of a microscope in the last class. The accuracy in using a microscope can be attained only through practice. You will learn to operate a microscope in your higher classes. Now, in this class, I will show you how to prepare an observation material. Before that, you must know what is an observation material. As you know, all science is the world of experiments, right? In biology, most of the experiments are carried out with the help of microscope. Any data recorded during an experiment is known as an observation. As said in the last class, we need a prepared slide to observe through the microscope. This prepared slide is known as observation material. Okay, for example, if we want to study about plant cells, we can prepare the slides of any plant parts such as root, stem, leaf, etc. Now you watch carefully how to prepare an observation material by taking the cross sections of the root of a plantain.
Children, I am in our science lab to collect the materials for our experiment. Children, now you are watching the materials required to do this experiment. That is, to prepare an observation material of the root of a plantain. This is our microscope, blade and cotton, wash glass. We need 3 wash glass, petri dish. See, petri dish. We have cover glass. See, this is the cover glass. This is very thin, and this is slide made of glass. This is glycerin. We have a dropper to take this glycerin from the bottle. This is a brush. Safranin stain to stain plant cells, which gives red color to the cells. This is a beaker containing water. Water should be a clean water. And this is our root, which is to be observed. We will take thin cross sections of this root. Now let's start the procedure of this experiment. That is, the step-by-step processes which should be carried out throughout the experiment very carefully. First of all, I am pouring water into the petri dish as well as wash glass. We have petri dish with water, wash glass containing water, and a wash glass with the stain, and another wash glass with the pure water. Now the first step is to put the material to be observed in the petri dish containing water to prevent dehydration. I am putting the material, that is root, into the petri dish containing water to prevent it from drying up. And the second step is to take thin cross sections of the material to be observed. To take thin cross section, I have taken a wet blade, sharp blade, and we should carefully take the thin cross section. It needs much patience also. Usually when we do experiments, we need more patience. Then only our experiment will be successful. So thin cross sections are needed. Then only we will get the result. Now I am taking 5 thin cross sections, because only through thin cross sections we can see the cells clearly. As our chapter deals with study of cells, we must observe the cells through microscope, and we will go to the deep study of cells later. Remember, all organisms are made up of cells. So as a second step, I have taken the thin cross sections, and this third step is to transfer it into the wash glass containing water.
Now the fourth step is to put the thinnest and complete section into the wash glass containing stain. So now I am going to transfer the most thin sections which I have taken now into the wash glass containing stain. So the most thin section is going to transfer into the stain. See the thin sections is not complete. Now I will show you the complete section. This is thin and complete section. Going to transfer into the stain. Now the fourth step is over, and the fifth step we have to take a clean glass slide. I have taken a clean glass slide. It is ready. So the fifth step, add 1 or 2 drops of glycerin into the clean glass slide. We add glycerin before transferring the section because the glycerin is needed to prevent the drying up of the section. The cross section we have taken now, they should not dry up when we transfer it into the slide. Slide എന്നിട്ട് dry ആവാതിരിക്കാനാണ് നമ്മൾ glycerin use ചെയ്യുന്നത്. This is a repeated question, so listen carefully. We use glycerin. This glycerin we use to prepare a slide to prevent it from drying. Now the sixth step is to wash the excess stain from the cross section. The cross section excess stain is washed by transferring it into a clean water. So excess stain is removed now. Now it is ready to observe and transfer into the slide and observe. Now this is the washed stained cross section. Now I am going to transfer it into the slide over the glycerin. Now the next step is take a cover glass. This is the cover glass. I am going to put it over the section over the glycerin. By putting the cover glass, we should be very careful so that air bubbles should not come. Should do it very carefully.
Now this is the last step, that is to wipe out the excess glycerin outside the cover glass using a tissue paper or cotton. I am using cotton to wipe out the excess glycerin from the slide. Now our slide is clean and ready to observe.
Now our slide is ready to observe under the microscope. We can observe the slide under the microscope first with low power and then high power. Low power is 10x and high power is 45x.
Now try to understand the difference in the magnification when 10x and 45x lenses are used. Now you can see the little chambers, that is cells, by which the plantain root is made up of. Now you are watching the sample of practical recording. When you go to your higher classes, you will be recording like this in your record book. The steps are aim, materials required, procedure, observation and inference. Aim of the experiment, materials required for the experiment, procedure, observation and the conclusion of the experiment. You should write this in your biology file and draw the picture.
Hope you have understood the today's class, that is the preparation of observation material. Now copy the procedure in your biology file and answer the questions which will be shown at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
This is your today's homework. Write the different stages involved in the preparation of observation material. Second one, why we use glycerin while preparing a slide. Third one, name the stain used to color plant cells during slide preparation. 4. Write a sample of practical recording with aim, materials required, procedure, observation, inference with diagrams based on the experiment shown in today's class.